Hi folks, Rick Berube here, Vice President of Sales of Berkshire Hathaway of Arizona, California, and Nevada. Today I want to say Happy New Year. It's 2018. You know my mantra, lean, mean, money-making machine in 2018. You guys can all use that too, by the way. It's exciting. Let's face it, energy and enthusiasm is what you need to bring into this year. Because I don't care whether you're in Arizona, California, or Nevada, the market is going to completely help you. All three markets are heating up. I can't find any indicators, okay, that say that the economy is going to slow down in any way, inventory's going down. The list goes on and on. It is the perfect real estate storm for you to maximize this year. That doesn't mean you should coast. It's like you're riding a bike and you're going uphill, then it levels off. Now you got a nice downhill grade. You got to keep pedaling. Take advantage of this time. Who knows how long it's going to last? Probably 3 years at least, maybe as many as 5. Some people are saying 10. We don't know, but here's what you are in control of. You're in control of the actions that you take every single day, okay? It's like, here's what I would decide if I were you. What action am I going to change immediately? What's the one thing I could start doing right now, okay, to make a big difference in my life, in my business, whatever? I can give you an example. It's about creating new habits. That's my theory. It's about creating new habits. Most people give up. Resolutions, what is it, 8% of them work? Okay, so it's really about taking action, and it's committing to what am I going to change. Pick one or two things and make those changes. But you got to commit to the habit. You have to make the new habit, which is a process. I'm going to say it takes 30 to 60 days. I know specialists will tell you 21 to whatever, but I'm going to say 30 to 60 days. I'll give you an example. Look, I go to LVAC. Now, I go very early in the morning. If everybody who had an ownership to that place showed up at the same time as me, we wouldn't all fit in the building. They way oversell their memberships, knowing that most of you will stop coming by January 18th. That is the stat, January 18th. It's interesting if you think about it. Why is it January 18th? Because you haven't made it to day 30 or beyond, which is what it takes to create a habit. You go the first week on energy and enthusiasm. You told everybody you were going to show up. You go the second week on guilt. By the third week, you're like, okay, I've had it. And you stop going. I'm going to tell you that you just have to tell yourself that creating new habits is a process. It takes time. You've got to get through the uncomfortable phase. The uncomfortable phase lasts about 30 to 45 days. Just talk yourself through it. I'm supposed to be uncomfortable right now. I'm making major changes in my life. Okay, so commit to the process. Make this your best year ever. I hope to see all of you at my training this year or involved in my coaching. Thank you. Have a great year.